Hi, my name is Michaud and I'm a mask artist. Through my workshops, we'll explore the connection between art and ecology, DIY paints and pigments, living tapestries, nature journaling. A lot of the cultural programming that I incorporate is showing participants that art doesn't have to be something that you hang on your wall. It's very process-oriented, it's very community-based. I try to share what's ephemeral, what's changing, to communicate in as close a medium to life as possible. The Living Tapestries workshops are very much about the life cycle and sharing that process with participants, looking at the growth cycle from germination to sprouting to decay ultimately. What I'm doing is opening minds, not necessarily teaching specific skills. What I love most about sharing my knowledge and my programming is this process of walking them through the steps from beginning to end in a way that they would not have imagined. How does this mural work? How does this process work? And so there's a transformation and a magic that takes place when you see that it click and you see their eyes light up and a pride that comes. And the sense of accomplishment for a lot of students that might not otherwise have had those successes. It helps us to innovate and find creative solutions for doing and thinking and being differently in ways that the regular avenue might not necessarily bring us or show us.